Hello everyone, I am Ramya and welcome to my channel YummyEats. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make Palak Paneer recipe. Palak Paneer is one of the most popular paneer dishes. It pairs well with naan, paratha or jeera rice. It is very easy to prepare. To make your cooking more pleasant, make sure to have all the ingredients before starting this recipe. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. Now let's see how to prepare this recipe.